Let me ask you something very honestly. Are you going to the gym regularly, sweating, doing workouts, but still not seeing real strength, muscle, or confidence? You feel tired more than strong. You look the same in the mirror. And deep inside you wonder, am I doing something wrong? Because just one mistake from this list might be the reason you're still weak, no matter how hard you try. And trust me, beginners make these mistakes every single day, without realizing it. Watch till the end, because the last mistake is the most dangerous and almost nobody talks about it. Before we start, if you're serious about building real strength, muscle, and confidence the right way, subscribe to this channel now, because we post simple, science-based fitness content that actually works, especially for beginners. Alright, let's get into it. Mistake number 1, lifting too heavy, too soon. This is the number 1 beginner mistake. You walk into the gym, you see someone bench pressing heavy weight, and suddenly your ego says, let me try that too. So you load the bar, your form breaks, you shake, you struggle, and you feel proud because, at least I lifted heavy. But here's the truth no one tells beginners. Heavy weight with bad form makes you weaker, not stronger. When you lift too heavy too soon, your muscles don't activate properly, your joints take unnecessary stress. Your nervous system gets overloaded and your injury risk increases. Instead of building strength, you're teaching your body bad movement patterns. Real strength comes from controlled reps, proper form, full range of motion. If you can't control the weight is controlling you. Beginner rule: if you can't lift it slowly and cleanly, it's too heavy. Mistake number 2, skipping warm-up. Because it's a waste of time. Many beginners think warm-up is useless. They say, I don't want to waste energy. I want to go straight to the workout. I'll warm up by lifting. Big mistake. A proper warm-up activates muscles, lubricates joints, improves blood flow, boosts strength output, prevents injury. Skipping warm-up is like, it works until it breaks. And once injury hits, your progress stops completely. A simple warm-up. 5 minutes light cardio dynamic stretches. 1 to 2 lighter sets before heavy lifts. This doesn't make you weak, it makes you stronger and safer. Mistake number 3. Training without a plan. This one is silent, but deadly. Most beginners go to the gym and do whatever machine is free. Whatever they feel like. Whatever they saw on Instagram: chest today, arms tomorrow, legs maybe next week. There's no structure, no progression, no consistency. And then they say, I go to the gym but I'm not getting stronger. Of course you're not. Strength doesn't come from random workouts. It comes from progressive overload. That means tracking weights, increasing reps slowly, repeating key movements, following a routine. Without a plan, your body has no reason to adapt. Random training, random results. Mistake number 4, ignoring recovery and sleep. Beginners think more workouts can have faster results. So they train every day, never rest, sleep late, wake up tired. Here's the truth. Muscle doesn't grow in the gym, it grows during recovery. When you train, you break muscle fibers. When you rest and sleep, your body repairs them, stronger than before. Without recovery, strength decreases, hormones drop, fatigue increases. Sleep is not optional. Rest days are not laziness. If you sleep 4 to 5 hours and train hard, you're not disciplined, you're sabotaging yourself. Aim for 7 to 9 hours sleep, at least 1 to 2 rest days per week. Light activity on off days. Strong people respect recovery. Mistake number 5, eating too little or too wrong. This is the biggest reason beginners stay weak. They train hard, but they eat like a bird, or worse. They fear food. I don't want to gain fat, I'll just eat less. I'll build muscle later. Listen carefully. You cannot build strength without food. Muscle needs protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, calories. If you undereat, your strength drops, your workouts suffer, your muscles don't recover. Especially beginners need more nutrition, not less. You don't need fancy supplements, you need proper meals, enough protein. Consistency, weak eating, weak lifting. If you're a beginner, and you avoid these 5 mistakes, you will get stronger faster, build muscle safely, Feel confident in the gym. Stop wasting time. Strength is not about ego, it's about smart habits done daily. If these 5 mistakes are keeping you weak, then what's the solution? The good news is, you don't need anything extreme. You just need to follow these 5 simple rules consistently. Solution number 1. Drop the ego. Master your form. Start with lighter weights. Control every rep. Focus on proper technique, not how heavy the weight looks. Perfect form builds strength. Ego lifting builds injuries. Solution number 2. Always warm up and cool down. Before every workout, 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, dynamic stretches, 1-2 lighter sets before heavy lifts. After your workout, stretch your muscles. Let your body recover. A warm body performs better and stays injury-free. Solution number 3. Follow a simple training plan. Stop training randomly. Use a basic beginner program. Train 3 to 4 days per week. Focus on compound movements. Track your weights and reps. Progress slowly. Small improvements every week lead to big results. Solution number 4. Respect recovery and sleep. Train hard, but recover harder. Sleep 7 to 9 hours every night. Take rest days seriously. Listen to your body. Muscle and strength are built during recovery, not during the workout. Solution number 5. Eat enough to get strong. Fuel your body properly. Eat enough calories. Get enough protein. Don't fear food. You can't build strength on an empty tank. Strong training plus strong nutrition. Strong results. If you fix these basics and stay consistent, you will get stronger, you will see results, and you will feel confident in the gym. No shortcuts, no magic tricks, just smart habits done every day. If this video helped you, comment which mistake you were making. Subscribe for beginner-friendly fitness guidance. Fix the mistakes. Follow the solutions, and your strength will finally start showing.